Hello everyone, my name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how to add, edit and delete categories in WordPress. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, I need a post in my WordPress ID. So that's why I ended up over here clicking on post and I will end up over here. And if you want to create a new post, just click on this option. It will take you over here and here you can see I created my blog over here. So I want this blog into category. How you can do that? First of all, obviously you need to publish this blog and on the right side you will see categories. Click on this and you can see it is uncategorized. Even if I open this post from over here, you can see that it is uncategorized. If I want to create a new category, I can create that from over here. You can see over here, click on add new category and here you just need to name your category and set the parent category also. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write gaming XP and after that click on add new category. Click on update at the top right corner. Make sure to uncheck this one and you can see I have one more gaming category over here. How I did that, I will show you. For now, I'm just going with this one. Click on update. Once it's done and I refresh my page, you will see that my category has been changed and even that blog I just recently corrected. So you can see that this is how you can add category also, but there are second option also. If I go back and I showed you that I have one more category over here, how I did that, go back to post and under post you will find categories and under categories you can see that I have one gaming category over here. I have recently created through the post. That one is not showing up right now over here. Why? Because I didn't even refresh this page. If I refresh this page, you can see that I have that over here and it will also tell you how many posts are there in this category. And if you want to create a new category, just name that over here. Name the URL over here. It's very easy and leave it as it is. You can also add description and click on add new category. If you want to edit, just go to over here. Like if you want to edit this one or this one, just click on edit. And you can start editing. If you want to delete, you can also delete category from over here. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to edit, add and delete categories in WordPress. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.